Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best splatter screens. So let's get started. Number 7. OXO Softworks Stainless Steel. When it comes to blocking splatter, whether it's from searing steaks in a cast iron pan or cooking a thick tomato sauce in a Dutch oven, it's hard to beat this splatter screen. Rather than screen-like mesh, this has small round holes in a solid piece of thin stainless steel. The tiny holes let steam out while the metal blocks most of the droplets of fat or splashes of food. Circular ridges on the screen keep the screen stable on pots of different sizes, and the shroud where the handle attaches fits neatly over most frying pan handles so the screen can lie flat on the pan. The plastic handle stays cool during cooking, and it folds over onto the screen for more compact storage. Number 6. BitimexHome Splatter. This set of 3 has your pots covered, or at least they can cover 3 of them at the same time. This set includes an 8-inch screen, a 10-inch screen, and an 11-inch screen, so they can fit a variety of frying pans, saucepans, and Dutch ovens to protect the stove from cooking mess. It's great when the sauce is simmering in one pot while there's fried chicken in another. When splatter is excessive, the cook can use 2 screens at once, blocking the most aggressive droplets. The blue plastic handle stays cool during cooking, and each one has a hole, so they can be hung on a hook for easy access when cooking is getting messy. These are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Number 5. Norpro Grip Easy Red Silicone. Silicone is rapidly becoming the material of choice for hot kitchen uses, like this silicone splatter guard. This has tiny holes that thwart splatter, but this might also retain a bit more steam. Since silicone is heat-proof, this can also be used as a trivet and as a strainer when it's time to empty water from a pot of pasta, but care should be taken when on a gas stove to make sure flames aren't coming up the side of the pan, which could burn the screen. Users have noted that while they can't see through it to the food below, it is very handy for adding water or other liquids to the pot right through the screen. It can also be used to gently steam foods on top of the screen while it's covering a pan. Number 4. Frywall Splatter Guard. This unique splatter preventer is a wall rather than a screen. While high-flying splashes can still escape the wall, splatter traveling sideways will stay easily contained, and there's no need to remove the wall to stir the sauce or flip the steaks. This fits 10-inch pans best and won't fit any less than 9.5 inches. A smaller and larger size are available. It also comes in a variety of colors, so you can color code the small, medium, and large ones in storage. Speaking of storage, it can fold and roll for compact storage wherever it's kept, and it's dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Number 3. JAZ Innovation Splatter Guard Pro. Most splatter guards are completely flat and made from screen material with tiny holes. This one is completely different. It has a raised center section and one large hole instead of multiple small ones. This guard gives enough space to see inside the pot or pan while also allowing steam to escape. Even better, it makes it possible to stir ingredients without removing the guard. All of the splatters along the edge of the pan can't escape at all, and the few that go straight up in the center also come straight down, so they won't land on the cooktop. This is made from sturdy silicone and has a fold-down handle that makes storage easy. Number 2. Smartware's Microwave Spatter Screen. Microwave splatters can be just as bad, or worse, than stovetop splatters since they cook onto the sides, top, and bottom inside the microwave, which can be awkward and difficult to wipe clean. Unfortunately, most splatter screens made for stovetop use are either too large for the microwave, or they have enough metal to make them unsuitable for microwave use. This thin, flexible mesh solves the problem, covering a plate of food or a bowl easily to contain the splatter, while small red beads keep the mesh weighted around the edges to keep it in place. Number 1. Farberware Classic Splatter Screen. Not only can frying be messy, but some cooks also object to frying odors, particularly when frying foods like fish. This innovative splatter guard has a patented activated carbon filter that absorbs cooking odors, and it also captures splatters while letting steam escape. The 13-inch screen is completely flat, so it will sit evenly on pots and pans that are 13 inches in diameter or smaller, or there's an 11-inch screen that fits on pots and pans that are 11 inches in diameter or smaller. The handle has ridges that make it easy to grab and a large hanging hole so it can hang from any hook. When cooking is done, this splatter screen is dishwasher safe.